How pizza was invented. From ancient Egyptians to the bustling streets of New York, pizza has journeyed through time and continents. But where did the idea of this deliciously cheesy, universally loved dish originate? Let's delve into the exciting story of how pizza was invented. Thousands of years ago, our ancestors made basic flatbreads with local ingredients. These were the precursors to pizza. The Egyptians, Romans, and Greeks used to cook these breads on hot stones and top them with spices and olive oil. Fast forward to the city of Naples in Italy, circa 600 BC, the city was known for its thrifty, working-class inhabitants who required inexpensive, easy-to-eat meals. Here, the Neapolitans started to top their flatbreads with local produce, creating the earliest versions of pizza. The classic margherita pizza was supposedly named after Queen Margherita of Italy during a visit to Naples in 1889. A local pizzaiolo, Raffaele Esposito, made a pizza with tomatoes, mozzarella, and basil to represent the colors of the Italian flag, thus immortalizing the margherita pizza. However, pizza was still largely an Italian specialty until World War II. When American soldiers returned home after the war, they brought back an insatiable craving for the pizzas they had tasted in Italy. This sparked a surge in the popularity of pizza in America. Pizza parlors started popping up all over the United States, and the dish began to take on regional variations. The deep dish pizza style, for instance, was born in Chicago, where a thicker crust and chunky tomato sauce became the norm. In the 1950s, the concept of the pizza delivery was born. The first pizza chains, like Domino's and Pizza Hut, were established, making pizza even more accessible and popular. Today, pizza is a billion-dollar industry worldwide, with countless variations and toppings. The invention of pizza is a testament to human creativity and the power of simple, fresh ingredients. From the streets of Naples to the ovens of New York, this beloved dish has made a remarkable journey. It has evolved, adapted, and captured the hearts and stomachs of people worldwide. Pizza is more than just a meal, it's a cultural phenomenon, a universal symbol of joy and togetherness. Whether it's a family dinner, a birthday party, or a late-night snack, pizza is always a good idea. So, the next time you bite into a slice of pizza, remember its humble beginnings. Savor the blend of the crunchy crust, tangy tomato sauce, melting cheese, and the myriad of toppings. Remember the journey it took to get to your plate, and most importantly, enjoy every bite. Pizza, with its rich history and universal appeal, is truly a culinary masterpiece. It is a testament to mankind's love for food, a symbol of global unity in diversity. It's a dish that transcends borders and brings people together,